Here we go. Good luck, fellers. We're going to roll the dice. See how many times we hit the randomizer for random packs of UFC. Again, I have 3 more boxes coming tomorrow, but I can't do it at this price. Yeah, they do. Everybody does react to it differently. You know, it's crazy how. But even 3 times. Casey's favorite number, 3. But even with the flu and the cold and stuff, people react differently. All right, we got Rammer Jammer, Matt, the Gore, Zon, Louis T13, Ortano, Athletic, Team Butterfield. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Rammer Jammer on the top, Team Butterfield at the bottom. So Walter, you get to find out what you get opened last, along with Matt there. Yeah, that's what my nurse friend was telling me too. She's like, it's gonna hit everybody differently, you know. Just because you got it one way, it doesn't mean, you know, the next person is gonna get it the same way or something like that. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 and 11 again. Oh, you had 8 and 10 last time. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Yeah, see? They're the ones that are trying to get the FDA approval, right? Moderna? I think I read somewhere or something like that. Pfizer, one of them too. I think I was reading. If I'm trying to get FDA approved or something. Good. See? Do it the right way. Make sure the FDA approves it. Then I'll take my shot. Once the FDA approves it, then I'll get my shot. I can inject something into you without no approval. More time wants a Johnson & Johnson shot. Who's got it? I ain't got it. Number 2. Nice. Do you happen to have Justin a silver Horner by any chance? A refractor Horner from the personals that I opened for you? Or happen to have a silver Horner? I'm kind of looking for one. What's up, Howie? Alright, final box. Who's luck? Yeah, because that opening and well, that was a mess. Oh, that's right. Get free beer. I'm going to Jersey just to get vaccinated. Get free beer. There's some places where I offer like free sex or something like that. Is that true? No, you gotta get your shot. Alright, here we go. Person number one, Rammer Jammer. Good luck, senor. Joanne Francis, Mackenzie, Tyron, David Maya. We got Junior Dos Santos, 209 of 275, and El Guapo, Boss Rutin. Autograph for Rammer Jammer. I thought of it before we started the break. I was like, you know what? We'll come up with this idea on how we're going to break this. Just came on to me. All right, Jessica I, Dover, Peter Yan, Volkanovski, Zabit. We got a red, Roosevelt Roberts. Rookie. That is number 264 of 275. Silver, Sugar Sean O'Malley. Shogun, Zhang Wei Li, Sarah McMahon, Misha, and Macy Barber. Box 3, Mike Perry, Jamaha Hall, Rafael Marlin, And we got Marion Renault, orange. Orange, you happy? You're opening UFC. 61 of 99. Silver, Edmund Shabazian. We got Joanna, Bryce Mitchell, Yaquita, Jim Miller, Surreal, and Justin Gaethje. All right, box number 4. Nah, man. We pulled a cupcake a little while ago. Loazan, Ozdemir, Sosa, Chang Sung Jung. We got Brad Tavares. Purple. 92 of 149. The Islander. And Mojo. Alexander Volkanovski. Silver Mojo Fireworks. That is numbered 9 of 25. Tony Ferguson, Roxanne Kamaru, Matt Schnell, Song Keenan, and Neil Magny. Box 5. Autograph. Nathaniel Wood, Anthony Smith, Jeremy Stevens, Donald Cerrone, Paulo Costa, Brandon Allen, blue. 99 of 199 and 39 of 49. Yuri Prochaska, red auto rookie. She did have a baby. 99 of 199. We got Zhang Wei Li, Justin Gaethje, Gunnar Nelson, Dan Hooker, and Kron Gracie. Muffin top instead of cupcake. Jay Connor, Damir, Yuri, Ryan Spann, Alex, Bruce Leroy, Caceres. 149 of 149. Joaquin Buckley. Silver rookie. Jan, Darren, Brad, Habib, Edmund, and Robbie Lawler. And that was box number 1. That was Rammer Jammer. 2 of the 24. 2 of the 12, huh? Sorry. All right, numero dos. Numero dos is Louis T13. Jeez. Who adjusted. Jan Volkanovski, Zabit, Augusto, Caitlin Chukagian, and Jessica Evil Eye. Right in Matt's face. 95 of 149. We got Jeff Neal. I thought 212, boxes, whatever. Macy Barber, Gilbert Burns, Josh Hemmett, and Nina Ansaroff. Box 2, pack 2. Autograph coming up. Hakare Chang Sung Jung. We got Chris Weidman. Red Prizm. 110 of 275. And blue Joanna. 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 Jinchek. Jinchek. Chris Weidman, 110 of 275 on Chris Weidman. All right, we got Zhang Wei Li, Charles Oliveira, Junior Dos Santos, Gokhan Saki, and Cynthia Calvillo. 6 times 2 equals 24. That's that, what's that math called? Pantoja, Home, Jeff, Cody, Max Holloway, and Dan Hooker. Hookers for everybody here. 189 of 275. Cody Staman. Nanu, Jair, Tatiana, Paul, and Lena. Common Core, there you go. That's what it's called. That's what it was. Tanner. Kamzat. Kaikara. We got a blue, Jack Hermanson. Uh, 61 of 189. Silver, Nikita Krylov. Diaz, Bryce Mitchell, Out Quinta, Jim Miller, and Cyrio. "60 years after I was in school." Robert Whitaker, Jimmy Cross, Boser, Krylov, blue, Mike Perry. 109 of 189, and a red, Wonder Boy, Steven Thompson. Wonder Bread, 59 of 275. Masvidal, Michael Pereira, Jan, Corey, Thiago, and Pedro Munoz. Score with Common Core. Alright, Sam, Michelle, Matt, Jorge, Glover, Wonder Bread, Steven Thompson. Purple, 96 of 149, and Marina Rodriguez. Silver. John Jones, Alexander Gustafsson, Chaos Wheels, Cub Swanson, and Mickey Gall. Nice. Now one auto for Joanna. That was the second Joanna out of the case. All right, number 3 is Zoned 27. Uriah Favor. 134 of 149. Alexander Pantoja. Silver. Derek Lewis, Antonina, Jennifer Maya, Dominic Reyes, and Darren Elkins. No, that's our second Joanna. Joanna. Alright. Kita Kamzlet. He did this red. Damir Ismagulov. Red Damir. That is numbered 250 of 275. Jorge Masvidal. I don't know what color is it. Teal? 42 of 49. Teal. Robert Whitaker, Aljamain, Davison, Marion, Joaquin, and Felice Herrig. Rose, Chris Weidman. We got Neil Magny blue. Nice. Noise. 152 of 199. Neil Magny. And a silver. Khabib Nurmagomedov. Silver. Francis Ngannou, Stipe Miocic, John Dodson, Frank Yeager, Kobe Covington, and Michael Chiesa. Joanna. Alright, we got Luca, Whitaker, Dern, Woodley, Tatiana, busting it down. Tatiana Suarez. 84 of 149, and silver. Amanda Ribas. Dillashaw, Sihara, Nate, Andrea, Uriah, Derek Brunson. Oh, that would be awesome. Valentina Shevchenko. 112 of 275. Who's on the opposite end of getting her ass beat in this picture? Raquel Pennington. Silver. You know it, Casey. Colby Covington, Matt Schnell, Song Meal, Jimmy Flick, and Valentina Shevchenko. Last pack for Zone 27. Good luck, senor. Then he went in. Stevens Dawes already got a Alexander Gustafsson. Red. 208 of 275 and a silver Davison Figueiredo. Fireworks. Santos, Riddle, Raoni, Alexander Volkov, Zhang Weili, and Sarah McMahon. And that was zone number 3. Number 4, Athletic. Brandon Moreno, Randy Costa, red. That is 198 of 275. Darren Elkins, silver. Jan Rodolfo Rafael Magomed, Joanna, and Saeed. Rose, Holly Holm, Cody Stamen, and Holly Holm. That is number 71 of 199, along with Mike Perry, platinum. Justin Gaethje, Frankie Edgar, Colby Covington, Michael Chiesa, Jair. 24 autos left. 23 now. Connor, Marab, Juliana Tasha, Sean O'Malley, Juliana Pena. That is numbered 254 of 275. And Peter Yan. Autograph. Silper. Oops. Why did I grab those when these are here? Silver autograph of Peter Yan. We got Stipe Miocic, Nate, Andrea, Uriah, and Derek Brunson. Autograph. Jessica Ide of Vincent Prue. And that is numbered 136 of 149. And autograph is Thiago Santos. Sensational signatures. Davison, Dustin, Raquel, Marvin, Vittori, and John Jones. Green, Moreno, Lee, Vincent Luque, Gunnar Nelson. 40 of 75 on Gunnar. Dan Ige, silver rookie. Max Holloway, Chaos Williams, Mickey Gall, Ian Hennish, and Jermaine Durandame. And no auto. Red, Ketlen Vieira. Red. That is numbered 232 of 275. Joe Loazin, silver. Israel Adesanya, Goka, and Cynthia Aspen, and Amanda Ribas. And that was number 4 for Athletic. Let's leave the cards real quick. Can't we start, like, how hard is it to make these penny sleeves and top loaders? Like, can we just go out and manufacture them ourselves? We are at number 5. Johnny 5 is alive. Number 5 is DeGore. Brent. Alright. Ooh, Silver Mojo coming up. Insert 2. Macy Barber. Blue. And what is number 138 of 199? Max Holloway. Fireworks. Silver Mojo. 22 of 25. Oh, can we go see him, Darren? Tony Ferguson, Pedro Munoz, Luke Rocco, Jimmy Crute, Roxana, and Kamaru Usman. Yep, Johnny 5 is alive. We got Jennifer Maya, red. Nice. 112 of 275. And how about an orange? Kamaru Usman. $99 of 99. eBay 1 of 1. John Jones, Tatiana Suarez, Paul Felder, Lena, Kelvin, and Tony Ferguson. Jan Blachowicz. 173 of 199. Robbie Lawler, silver. Stipe, Tiago, Pedro Munoz, Lou Rocco, Jimmy Coot, and Roxanne. Gretzky jersey number. eBay 1 of 1. Autograph, Nunes. Brandon Moreno. We got Paulo Costa. And the Iceman, Chuck Liddell. Silver auto for Brent. Paulo Costa is 73 of 75. Khabib. Kevin Gastelum Ferguson, Alexis Davis, Jessica Andrade. Autograph redemption. Joe Loazen. 45 of 149. And our redemption is Robert Whitaker. Octagon Signatures. Valentina Shevchenko, Kisa, Jan, Tatiana, Paul Felder. Lauren Murphy, blue. 6 of 199. And Mahmoud Muradov, red. 217 of 275. Kamaru, Michael, Saeed, Aljamain, and Davison Figueiredo. That was number 5. Johnny 5 is alive. Nasty Dos Santos. Which Dos Santos? What was Dos Santos? Where? Did Rumble Johnson win? Not that I can watch it anyways. Stupid cable. I know somebody that has a gold rookie autograph from Macy Barber. Oh, you were guessing it was the Gio Dos Santos sketch. Number 6, Athletic. Dan Ige, Luis Pena, Sam Alvey, and Paul Felder. Orange. 85 of 99. Dominic Reyes, silver. Zhang Weili, Valentina Shevchenko, and Jan. Randy Costa, purple. 74 of 149. We got Alexander Volkov, blue. 32 of 199. Joanna. Ooh, out of 8. Demir Yuri, Ryan Smith, Antonina Shevchenko. That is numbered 271 of 275. And Amanda Rivas. 3 of only 8 in the Galaxy. We got a Conor McGregor, Dustin Poirier, Pennington, Vittori, John Jones, and Ian Hamish. Yeah, Octagon parallel. Kevin Lee. 6 of 49. Tanner Boser, silver. Volkanovski. Man, nobody got excited over that one, huh? Benil Dariush, orange. 71 of 99. Jamal Hill, purple rookie. 98 of 149. Lewis. Oh, who's mine? Last pull. Kamzat. Valentina Shevchenko, purple. 100 of 149. Dominic Reyes, blue. 15 of 199. Garbrandt, Israel, base. And that was that box. That was number 6 for Athletic. Wow. Everybody go to sleep or something? Am I not being loud enough for you guys? You guys want me to be louder? What's up, Nick? That Rivas was exciting, wasn't it? Alright. Number 7. Rammer Jammer. We know you're about to hit something big right now. It was Rammer Jammer. Joanna. Habib Nurmagomedov. 48 of 75. Holly Holmes, silver. Wolverine, Michael Chandler, Aljamain Davison, and Marion Renault. Irene Aldana. Oh, we haven't even got our color blast yet, huh? 2 of 99. Silver, Peter Yan. Derek Lewis, Cody, Diego Swanson. Silver Mojo coming up. Behind Michelle Watterson is Juliana Pena. 12 of 25. The Venezuelan Vixen. Michelle Watterson's 249 of 275. Miocic, Walt Harris, Roosevelt, Oliveira, Dos Santos, and Gokar. Jimmy Rivera, red. 58 of 275. And a Silver. Right in Dazzer's face. Israel Adesanya. Silver. Holly Holm, Ian, Jermaine, Corey, Michael, and Jan. Diego Sanchez, 226 of 275. Kelvin Gastelum, orange. 92 of 99, Stipe, Israel, Stipe, John, Frankie, Colby. Brandon Moreno, Kevin Lee, Marlon Moraes, blue. 141 of 199, and Cody Garbrandt, silver. Come on, Brandon Moreno. Namajunas, Nina, Walt, Roosevelt, Charles, and Junior Dos Santos. There's Dos Santos. That was number 7, Rammer Jammer. Thank you, Craig. Number 8, the Gore. Second set. That's Lena Landsberg, Lena Landsberg, red. That is 164 of 275. Josh Emmett. That's teal prism. 14 of 49. Peter Yan, Tavares, Habib, Edmund, Robbie, and Shogun. Donald Cerrone. $137 of 275. Silver, Saeed Nurmagomedov. Fireworks, Connor. Andrea Lee, Rahal, Derek Brunson, Bryce Mitchell, and Al Iaquinta. Yair Rodriguez, red. 182 of 275. El Pantera. Calvin Qatar. Cerrone. Kamaru. Matt Song Neil. I believe so. Nick. I should be around. I'm double checking a little bit. I should be around. Jim Miller, red. That is 191 of 275. Aspen Ladd, silver. But right in the dome. There's a Rebus and an Israel. Amanda Rebus and Israel Adesanya. purple, Walt Harris. 106 of 149. Zhang Wei Li. Alright, sounds good. Israel, Derek, Bryce Mitchell. And that's it for that pack. Alright. Last pack for Brent. Alright, so we get ready to text Matt. It's almost his turn. We got Gilbert Burns, red rookie. 170 of 275. And Valentina Shevchenko, green Prizm. And just 75. 8 of 75. Cerrone, Vivian, Rodolfo, Rafael, Magomed, and Joanna. Message him? Alright. Number 9. Number 9, Matt. What's up? How many autos left? 21 autos? Jack Hermanson. Orange Prizm. 3 of 99. And Brad Tavares. I told him to tell you. Nate Diaz, Alexander, Sarah McMahon, and Misha. 24 autos left. 24 autos left. Come on. There's 23 now. Connor, Marab, Juliana Pena, Junior Dos Santos. Hey, another Junior Dos Santos. Ooh, Silver Mojo. 113 of 149. And the chosen one. The former chosen one. Tyron Woodley. Silver Mojo. 18 of 25 on Tyron Woodley. Oh, yeah, and the Color Blast. Oh, man, it's going to come down to the last 3. Junior Dos Santos, Connor. I mean, these last 4 now. Another autograph. Yana. This autograph is not leaving the house. 14 of 34 of 49. Yana Kunitskaya. Kunitskaya. Paul Felder, blue. 183 of 189. We have Brandon Moreno, red. 266 of 275. John Jones, Kisa. Hair. Tatiana, Paul Felder, Lena Lansbury. Bruce Leroy, red. Someone's at the door. 206 of 275. Dustin Poirier. Someone's at the door. Shh. I'll go get it right now. And Giga, Muslim. Brandon Royval. Seven of 25. And Ryan Spann, rookie autograph. Check my emails? Yeah, hold on. Let me go check my emails. Connor, John, Antonina, Jennifer, Dominic Reyes. Hold on, guys. I gotta. Hold on. All right. Hold. I gotta go check my emails over here. Move the mouse that way. You know. All right, Jan, Jermaine, Corey, Michael, and Jan. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, senor, as always. Box number 10. I mean, pack number 10. Spot number 10. Ortano. Autograph. Yeah, Davison Figueiredo. 104 of 199. And Dominic the Dominator Cruz. Silver autograph. Oh man, it's coming down last three here. Who's gonna get it? Oh, why do I always have a hard time remembering who you are? Mackenzie Dern, blue. Iron bases. Oh, man. 164 of 199. Matt's at my turn. Oh, there you go. Andrew. Sorry. What's up, Andrew? Magomed. Magomed, silver rookie. Volkanovski, Chaos, Mickey Gall, Brad, Oni, and Alexander. Yeah, Matt's at my door. Someone's at my door. Yeah, it's Matt. Francis or Francois. Francis Ngannou. There's Chronicles Football on the website, and Tier 1's got like 5 teams left or something like that. 26 of 75 on Francis. And blue, Darren Till. 7 of 199. Jan, Kelvin, Tony, Alexis, Jessica, and Saraya. Silver Mojo is Ian Heinisch. Silver Mojo, number 25. 3 of 25. Whatever breaks tonight gets picked up tomorrow and shipped and sorted and shipped by Monday, right? Oh no, by Tuesday. Sorry, by Tuesday. Francis Ngannou, Santos, Padra, and Jimmy Crute. I would. Amanda Nunes, red. Or Ortano Kili. That is numbered 168 of 275. Kevin Holland, silver rookie. Wonder if he's going to take his next fight serious. Oops. And Jessica. You should see Fungs, Francis. Gadela, Overeem, Aldana, Yusuf, Dariush, Muslim, blue. Muslim Salikov. 151 to 199. Randy Costa. Silver. Stipe, Shogun, Jose Aldo, Brandon Allen, and Lauren Murphy. And that was Ortano. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it as always, senor. Number 11, Matt. Well, Brandon Royval, red. That is 54 of 275. Peter Yan, fireworks. Calvin Qatar, 33 of 75. We got Joanna, Kobe, Amanda Ribas, Israel. purple Colby. Purple Colby. 33 of 149. We also got silver knockout artist. Corner. Amanda Rivas and another Israel. Damn, nice. Gunnar Nelson, red. 274 of 275. Jeff Neal, orange. 90 of 99. Silver! Sam Alvey. Silver Mojo. 25 of 25. Rob Font Silver. And the last and final autograph, I believe, behind Dan Ige, number 24 of 49, Jessica Andrade. Was that the last auto? Alright, number 11. So, I think the Color Blast is in that stack right there, right? What gold auto? I don't know what gold auto you guys talking about. I didn't see a gold auto. Color Blast not guaranteed? Damn, that scared the shit out of me. All right, here we go. Good luck, Walter. Joaquin Buckley, purple. I think there might be one left. 125 of 149 might be. Sam Alvey, blue. No autos. That's it. All 12 or 20 or all 12 will come out. 75 of 199. I got Giga, Muslim, Andrea Lee, 17 of 49, Silver, Rafael Assunção, Robbie Lawler, Jim, sorry, just in case. Muslim. Mackenzie Dern. Uh, 51 of 149. Silver. Max Holloway. Silver. Stephen Thompson. Gunner. Dan Cron. Kevin Holland. Come on. Show me that white card. Dang, no white card in here. Marion Renault. Blue. 51 of 199. We got Connor. Silver. Knockout artist. Show me the white card. Man, no white card in here. Yuri. Angela Hill. Blue. That is 93 of 199. I got a silver Mike Moon. Poirier. Amanda Rivas. Alright. Comes down to this last pack here. Nobody's donations. Everybody's a winner in my eyes, Walter. Shit, we didn't get one. There's Mahmoud, Dan Ige, Luis Pena, Alexander Pantoja, purple. .46 of 149. We got a silver Felice Herrig. Oops. Wow, no color blast. No, don't change your name to that. Valentina Shevchenko, Renault, Joaquin, Felice, Cody, and Diego Ferreira. Seven of 10, Colby Covington. That goes to Matt, spot number 9. Oh. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it as always.